Okay, guys, we're ready. Yeah, we're going up to get a kid from adoption. I don't know. I always go this way. I don't know why. Yeah, I always go up the hill right there on the sidewalk. Then I turn. Then I come up here. Whoa! What's for lunch? Dude, I can't believe we're eating lunch right now. It's a little early for lunch. Dude, I always eat lunch at this time. Then midnight, I eat dinner. And then I have 5 frequently snacks in between every meal. If I buy another mount, then yeah, I will. Yeah, I'll ask for my birthday for some mounts. I could put one on your bike. They're not that expensive. They're not that expensive. They're actually pretty cheap. GoPro itself, well, right now, it's at $199. So that's like $200. Hey, so what, dude? You and Cody. Oh, hi. If you buy a GoPro at the store for the $200, just like mine, you get 2 mounts. You get a curved one, and you get a straight one, and then you get the GoPro and stuff. And you get GoPro stickers and stuff. Yeah. And you can pair it to your iPad. You can pair it to your I noticed. Wait for me. Maybe around Christmas time. Since you say around Christmas you get 100 each? Yeah. Just coast. Stop pedaling. I'm too fat for this. To go get Bailey from Austin's. Did we pass it? Oh. Oh! Guys, my bike just funkied. Yes, now it's being weird. It's weird! Cody, you're weird! Bailey's what? What? Well, let's go get her real quick and we can go slow for her. Wait, go stop my GoPro. Don't stop on it. You don't know me. Let's do it.